Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize life insurance with State Farm step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current life insurance needs. Evaluate your financial obligations, such as debts, mortgages, and education costs. Consider your family's future needs, including living expenses and savings goals. Visit the State Farm website to explore available life insurance options. Familiarize yourself with the different types of policies offered by State Farm. These include term life, whole life, and universal life insurance. Use the online quote tool to get an estimate of your premium. Enter your details, such as age, health status, and coverage amount. Review the quotes generated to find a policy that fits your budget. Contact a local State Farm agent for personalized advice. Discuss your specific needs and ask questions about coverage options. Request a policy comparison to understand the differences in benefits. Consider any riders or additional coverage options that may enhance your policy. Evaluate how each option affects your premium and coverage. Once you've selected the right policy, fill out the application form. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your health history. Submit any necessary medical records or complete required medical exams. Review your policy documents carefully once approved. Make sure all details are accurate, including beneficiary information. Set up a payment plan that works for you, whether monthly or annually. Keep your agent's contact information handy for any future questions. Regularly review your policy, especially after major life changes. Adjust your coverage as necessary to reflect changes in your financial situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.